I'm gonna play me some junk.
Sounds good.
Unless McMurray.
McMurk, we're playing a game.
What? I'm here.
Yeah, I just saw you commented on a post on the forums.
I got 2 screens.
I got 2. Alright, we should go Arista Hog. No, we're attacking. Never mind. I always get that fucked
Yeah,
up.
can we get a Lucio?
Yeah.
You can't.
Because maybe we should try like all speeding, like
Yeah.
right through the choke, just so that we don't have to stand there for forever.
And do
Then
and do
you want
Zarya
to do
Ryan.
Lucio Mercy? Or Moira?
No attacks him.
Do you want to do Lucio Mercy or Lucio Moira?
Stop it, McMurk. Lucio Moira. Those orbs are real good.
Bet you guys can't do this high.
Yeah, just let me hide all my turrets in bushes. They'll never know it came.
Oh my god, dude.
Aw, hey.
Alright, here's the plan. Right, we're gonna press P, go over to your character where it has the mic, and then press that. Alright, here's
Or
it.
press M. You might
I
be
didn't know what
muted
I
that
did.
way.
Alright,
Could've hit M.
alright, so we're gonna poke a little bit here, and then when Nona gets her bubbles back, then we're gonna go again.
Yep.
Bubble me.
Alright.
No, they're not even holding choke.
Oh god.
Shield.
Here, back up, back up, back up, back up. Is that a bastion?
Oh, they're holding way back.
That's fine. We can push around left
Yeah,
side, go
go
high
left
ground,
side.
and then drop down, take it. Alright, you ready?
Already there and almost dead.
4 seconds until I get speed.
I'm still coming back.
Alright.
If you guys can wait for me.
Yeah, yeah, we're gonna wait, we're gonna
Oh,
wait, we're gonna
fuck.
wait.
Go
Yep,
taxi
I
or
died.
speed.
Alright.
Or we'll wait for Daishan while we're at it.
Can I get a text? Oh,
No. Oh,
Alright.
I just back up.
Way
Just
to be
back up.
wholesome. Way to be.
Let's
What?
hide in this alley right here.
I need a little bit of
Guys.
that healing feeling.
I'm
Alright.
just gonna build charge. Build
Alright, I need to
Okay.
I need to build up my shield again. Alright, we can push now if you wanna go. Everybody ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Straight
Okay.
straight to point, straight to point. Alright.
And he's dead.
Yep.
They got a fucking turret. What fucking bitches?
Go down.
Alright, well McCree's behind
Okay,
y'all.
well
Just
he's molten
saying.
corn.
Oh yeah,
Alright.
he totally is behind us. Good job. Nice call out.
Alright,
I
I
like
like
it.
86 on grab.
I'm sorry?
I'm trying.
I have 96 on.
Got all.
I used ult before McCree killed me.
Alright, what are we doing?
Hold on, I got an orb coming.
I'm 90 on grab. Why don't we get that and maybe Reaper ult?
Okay.
Yep, I'm good.
Alright, here you wanna bubble me for some energy or we're gonna go in?
Yeah, that's probably.
Alright.
I need healing.
Let's go right.
Oh my god, dude, the fucking burst damage. Insane. Is it me? Was that a bad decision? I don't know.
It's alright. They're all in the choke, so alright. Are we ready to do the grab thing?
Yeah,
I
let's do it.
am. Yeah.
Alright,
We
let's
should
wait
probably wait
Wilson
for
to
our
get back.
Reinhardt, yeah.
Yeah.
You got, oh shit. Okay, well.
Well, rip tire. Alright, I'm here, I'm here. Oh, nice. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go, go!
Mercy, get the Mercy, get the Mercy.
All the problem.
They're on the right. They're on the right.
I need some health. I need some fucking health.
They're in there.
Oh, he pulled me out.
Wait. Wait.
Nice.
Alright.
Let's get on point. On point. Get that
I'm gonna
turret.
get this turret.
Alright, let's get on point. Get that Orisa.
Yee.
Alright, I'll have slam for next fight.
Sweet.
So we can potentially
That was
snowball real
messy,
hard.
but we did it. It's okay.
Alright, do we want to swap anything
Is this a
up?
stupid
No.
idea?
Right to point, right to point, right to point.
Don't you ever know that we never have stupid ideas?
Do you
Yeah,
want to go
right.
main since you've got slam?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Straight to point and through main. When we get the choke, let's speed boost. Are you ready?
That
And
turret's in the back.
go, 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 go.
Good job, McCree's in the window.
That's fine. Just go to point.
Oh great. McCree. Ow.
I got 2 of them.
I have a sound barrier.
Okay, well,
Well,
I died.
I'm just
Probably
gonna.
should pull out.
yeah, okay.
Don't use anything.
Mid.
Oh, they're using ults. Okay, cool.
I'm
They use
7 down with
bongos.
the grab.
Okay, cool. Alright. What should be plan 2, since plan first didn't
Okay.
work out?
No!
I'm
I
thinking
was trying to
let's-
get out of there!
I can lead with my ult. I can get a pick.
Alright, they don't have a junk rat or anything, so we should be alright in tight quarters if you wanna go if you guys wanna go
Make
right
Mark, how
side.
close are you to your ult? Okay.
Hey.
Sean, maybe you should save it.
Okay.
Alright.
If you can
Creep
save it,
poking.
then we can use it with grab.
Where are we going? High ground?
Yeah, we're going top right, we're going top right.
Okay. I might be able to farm grab if I just stand here a minute.
Yeah. Don't die.
Hold on. Yeah, I got a orb coming to you.
Alright, we're gonna go high ground right side and
Oh,
then
fuck,
all
fuck,
the way
fuck,
around.
Sean! Oh my god!
Alright.
Alright, going up. I'm going
Alright.
top.
We're gonna go all the way around to their spawn
Yeah,
side
we're
since
on.
we don't have a whole lot of distance.
That
Okay, so up
turret's
the,
there
down
too.
the stairs. Down the stairs.
Yeah.
Going? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Go up the stairs, go up the
Alright,
stairs.
I'm 98.
Alright.
Motherfucker! Seriously?
Alright, down the stairs.
What the fuck? You guys gotta get a pick. 5 to 6.
Alright, well that's 3 ults on them.
Okay, yeah.
Here we go. Alright, get on point.
Alright, I'm grabbing.
Yeah.
Are you
Get this hog. Oh, huge! Get this hog!
Nice!
I said I got this.
Thank you.
I said.
Holy shit.
I'm coming back as fast as I can, guys.
They have a
Tracer.
Tracer.
They have a Rissa coming down too.
Okay,
Nice.
holy shit. Weren't you dead too? What
Lots
happened?
of big ults. Right there at the end.
You can if you kill Junkrat, his tire will keep going.
That
Unless
wasn't
you
what
kill
happened
him.
though.
No,
I
he
made,
was
it
dead
to the, I made
before.
it to the gazebo and I rocket jump or I whatever jumped on top of the gazebo and then went.
Select your
All right.
Uh,
So what are we doing?
No, guys, I'm missing my fucking sick ass game night on Wednesday because of fucking Valentine's Day.
So we do Moira Mercy for defend because I feel like Mercy's a really good defender.
So
maybe
alright.
Mercy and Zenyatta.
Hog, Orisa, Junkrat. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put traps right down in the front, like right in that line at choke, and then Nona, you're gonna hook people right into the trap, and we're all gonna fuck them up.
Gosh, it's like insult to injury there.
Yeah.
You did one Mercy, right? Or
That's what I was
good.
asking about because Mercy's like I feel like she's really good for defense,
Yeah,
especially with shield tanks because you can damage it boost.
It'll be hard to sustain a Moira solo heal here too.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
we're not able to get damage off.
All right.
So it's maximum. This is just like an AIDS comp. The only thing we need now is a bastion.
Oh my god.
Oh,
right.
I can go back if you want.
All right, Daishan. Right here is where you're gonna be putting those traps. All right.
30 seconds.
Where?
Oh my god. Right here.
Right. Yeah.
Like, yeah, around in this general area, and then you're gonna poke. Okay.
anyone into that.
There you are. Yeah, you can. Look, literally, if you get here, right, or here, it'll hook them. So you go, hook them,
Okay.
pull them in, and it'll grab them, and we just fuck them up.
Okay, yeah,
That works
that's
better.
perfect.
5, 4, 3,
As soon as someone comes around that corner.
Oh, they're getting hecked real hard.
defend objective A.
Ooh. That was a 9% ult charge.
Ah, shoot.
Oh,
McCree's Discord.
Top right, Junkrat, or Genji through.
I've got shield in one. Oh, never mind. I
D.Va
died.
behind, D.Va back right,
Oh,
D.Va back
damn.
right.
Good Genji.
Genji's Discording.
If you, yeah. Oh god. Yeah, that was a.
Got him.
I thought he was
I'm going to
dead.
point.
Mercy
Yeah.
Discord. Mercy.
She's down.
Good job. Get this monkey. Owie.
McCree coming left.
Monkey's almost dead.
I'm coming back right now.
Nice
McCree
kill
left
on that
side,
monkey.
McCree left side.
I'm super. Yeah. Okay.
All right, I'm going back to that point.
I'm back right.
I'm in horse.
Disperse the enemy immediately.
My healing spell is upon you.
Front row.
Alright, we should go
Should
top
we
right.
go Lucio?
Or top left. Excuse me.
Objective.
What did they
lost.
eat away at our shield with so fast? Like, I know it's rigged as-
Probably
They
that Genji
just went
reflect.
around.
Yeah, they're going top left here. Genji.
Should be lit.
It's lit up in that choke.
We've got it, Diva. Diva's discorded.
Oh, get the mercy. Oh, Genji ulting. Nice.
I'm gonna ult from.
On point, get on point.
That was. They used so many ults right there. Like, all their ults are gone. Try to stay up as long as you can.
Go Merc.
Should be able to get him.
Got the thing.
Focus Diva. She's half. Get the Moira.
Are you coming in?
Who's still contesting
Bottom
point?
left.
Alright, reset top left. Alright, what else do we have coming online soon?
I have ult.
Diva up here with me alone?
Up, top
Good
left.
mercy. Good mercy.
Nice, Diva on a mech.
We're up top.
Oh my god, yeah, get the fuck out of there. Face on a
Peek.
baby Diva almost fucked me.
Come back down.
Got the Genji. He's half. We should reset top left again.
McCree's up there.
Also,
Alright, I'm
come back
dropping
down.
down, yeah.
Get down. Back left Genji.
I got shield down.
I'm lit. I need healing.
McCree's low.
I'm dropping. Heal.
Here comes Diva. Watch out for Diva.
Monkey.
Monkey
Half. Low.
Monkey one.
Nice. Mercy Genji, top left.
I'm going up top.
Trying to get that. Fucking McCree.
Ooh, Mercy lit underneath.
Diva. Nice Diva on a mech.
Oh, McCree's over
McCree's
right
top
side.
right. Or right side.
He can't get away. I'm going for him.
Yeah, I'm with you.
I'm
Warriors over
watching
here.
top and
Yeah, they're ulting like crazy.
Got him.
Mercy's alone
McCree
in
done?
the main entrance. Oh no, Mercy Genji main.
When Genji ults, I might have to go
Alright, trying to get the Mercy.
He's on left side.
That's a smart thing to do.
I have
Keep his right
ult.
side.
I'll use it on
Oh,
him.
watch out. They
Alright,
just-
Moira
watch
right
out,
side.
my
Over
ball.
here.
Genji top right.
Nice.
He's lit. He's so low.
Where's he at?
Hit him though. He's hiding
You
up there
might have
top
got
right.
Ah, that bitch.
Oh, he's out.
Alright, do you guys want to reset up top left? This seems to be where they're pushing from.
Yeah, alright.
Lethality level increased.
McCree main.
I got him.
Diva.
Where?
Top left.
The stairwell.
With Genji. Dead.
Diva,
She's down.
don't peek.
Somebody's still in the stairwell.
McCree.
McCree.
Down.
And someone else.
I wonder who.
Here's Genji. Down. Nice.
Thank you.
Mercy and Moira are over here. We can get them.
Where's over here?
Are they outside? Outside left.
Okay.
They're right over here.
More one.
Mercy's so low. God damn it.
More
Hey,
one.
Diva's right.
Alright, let's not go too ballsy. Let's not go too ballsy.
Back to point.
Yeah,
back to
no,
point.
no.
She went back.
Alright, we've got 5 ults.
Alright, coming back.
I'm gonna lead with mine.
Alright. Okay.
I generally try to. Okay, they're top left.
Road.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Please move behind the back.
they're all top left.
Play that shield dash in.
Diva going right.
Yeah, Diva's right up top.
McCree's going up me. He might be wanting to.
Diva on point.
On point.
Genji ulting.
Oh crap.
Down. I'm ulting, I'm ulting.
He's one.
McCree lit, McCree lit.
Yeah, he's down.
Focus Diva, focus Diva, focus Diva. She's low, she's low, she's low. Out of mech.
Fuck.
Get Mercy, 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 Mercy on ground. Over by entrance, over by entrance. I'm dead.
Behind.
No, I'm dead. Hang in there, Mercy. I'm coming back.
Just in one. Mercy, Mercy, Mercy.
Yeah, get Mercy, get Mercy, get Mercy.
Protect your
Mercy
Mercy.
one, Mercy one.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay, hang on. I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, I'm
Oh,
point.
McCree, McCree, McCree. On point, on point. Just McCree. And Genji.
Here, I'm coming.
Save your ult, save your ult.
Oh my god, dude, am I gonna die here?
No, you don't. I got you. I
Alright,
got
cool.
you.
There's 3 of them right side. Mercy, McCree, and Diva.
60 seconds.
Okay. Winston's
Don't
here
chase.
too.
McCree top left, top right.
I'm gonna ult them if they once they get over.
Alright, we got one last fight. Don't use too many.
Yeah.
Fuck.
More on point, more
Focus
on
Marcus,
point.
focus Mercy.
More on point.
Alright.
She's lit, she's lit.
Alright,
Genji
cool.
behind. She's on point.
30 seconds.
Thank you.
Nice hook. Genji top right lit.
Get the Diva, get the Diva, get the Diva.
Got Mercy, got Mercy.
Out of mech.
15 seconds. I have ult.
82.
Oh, alright, cool. I'm at 80.
To the
There's a monkey.
Anyone see where they are? Anyone see where they
Yeah,
are?
There's a
Winston
monkey right side. Genji left over by small.
Mercy ulted.
He's ulting.
I need to.
I'm ulting, I'm ulting. Get the McCree, get the McCree. I'm dead.
Diva, Diva right, Diva right. That's it. Just baby Diva. Nice job, guys.
Nice.
Nice-oo.
Damn. Man, we were healing our butts off. Look at that.
Look,
Hey, check this out.
good shit.
Aw, dang it, you beat me.
Hey, check this out, dude! Sick fucking tour play, lol.
I had like 15,800 or something like that.
I'm leaving.
Just probably just barely.
15,100.
Merc.